WRPlot, and then you will download this file. After downloading this file, so already I have downloaded this file. Then you will install after installation. You have to make a registration, and after the registration you will receive a registration key which is valid for a year. Okay, so after a year you can renew. Okay, type 1 year you can register again after the license expires. Okay, now after the full installation, so this is here. So this version is 8.02. Then we have certain information here. These are the help contents. The help contents, we have the how does it look like. Okay, WRPlot input data, mid. Okay, Windows tab, rows tab, graph tab. So this is about metadata information. Then we have the year and what time you want to start, and these are the total number of hours, average wind speed, and the specified days, frequency. So these are the frequency count, frequency distribution, Windows tab, and this is the way the Windows diagram looks like. Graph tab, rain rows tab, rain rows options, tool and utilities. We have the wind classes, Windows sector, rain rate classes, save classes, import surface data, export to Google Earth, supported metadata formats. So these are the hourly surface data files. Okay, data format, surface data, and then we have a lot of informations. And this is my meteorological data services, and the other lake software also we have air dispersion modeling, compliance, sample air dispersion modeling. Okay, we have air mod view, cat buff, car loads view, air screening, hostel. Okay, if I want to go back, so I'll click here, then go back here, and then these are more and more information. For example, file, then edit, tools, wind classes, Windows sector, import, browse, editor. For example, wind classes, you want to load, then we have nodes. Okay, similarly in the help we have contents, team, technical support, web links, knowledge, order metadata, about. And again in the help we have, for example, web links, so it can take you here if you want training data, metadata, for example, metadata. So these are the, for example, if I want a metadata for United States, now for which region I want, now for example I want for these stations, and for which year I want. Now I need the additional information, station informations. Okay, so I can download the PDF also, and for example I want the data for 1984, so I'll get a zip file. I want to open the file, and now usually this file needs a special format. For example, I want to see the notepad, so this is my information in the notepad. This is basically about. Now so we have more and more information here. You want to forecast, for example, city, for example, I want for them, or I want for New Delhi. So these are all about, for example, I want to see some videos. I can see some videos, contact us. Okay, now this is all about the basic installation and the how does the WRPlot look like. In our next consecutive videos we'll be talking about more and more talking about the use of the WRPlot in making the windrose diagram.